Stop scrolling if you love nature but worry about accessibility. Planning outdoor adventures can be tough when searching for wheelchair-friendly trails. Meet WheelMap, a powerful AI tool that finds accessible nature routes all over the world. Just enter your destination, and WheelMap instantly shows trails with reliable accessibility ratings, user reviews, and even photos of the paths. Imagine visiting a new city and quickly finding a scenic, accessible trail for your next hike. Subscribe to learn to use AI tools for you.